Hey, it's Coach Todd here, and this video is about how to work your way through the skills that you're going to need to do monkey bars, whether you're doing them at the gym or the park or an obstacle course race. This is a step-by-step instructional video on how to gradually work your way up to being able to do the monkey bars. To start out, you do a quick warm-up with something called a hollow pose, where you kind of lie on the ground and practice the body position that you're going to need while you're hanging from the bar. And once you're done with that, the first step is really just to find a bar, whether it's a monkey bar or just a straight pull-up bar that you find around somewhere. Grab onto it, pack your shoulders down, and just hang there as long as you can. And if you can hold that for 15 seconds, then you're done with step one, and you move on to step two. In step two, you're going to practice holding the bar with your elbows at 90 degrees. This is really important as you begin to learn to move across the monkey bars. It goes a lot faster if you can hold it with your elbows at 90 rather than with your arms all the way extended. Then you'll start to work your way down the monkey bars, turn around and come on back. Once you build those skills, you can move on to a more of a sloped monkey bar, where you gradually get higher and higher off the ground as you go up and come back down again. As you watch the videos, you'll see it's just gradually getting more and more complicated and requiring greater skill and strength. Work your way through it one step at a time. Once you master it, move on to the next. All right, good luck. Okay, we begin with the warm-up. This is called a hollow pose. Lie on your back on the floor, lift your head, hands, and feet a little bit off the floor. Hold it for as long as you can. The first step, you're going to find a bar, reach up and grab it. Make sure you pack your shoulders down like I'm doing here, and hang for as long as you can. You want to try to hang for at least 15 seconds. Now you're going to want to try to hang with your elbows at 90 degrees. Same thing, just step off the bench and hang there with your elbows at 90. Hang as long as you can, and when you're just about out of gas, lower yourself very slowly back to the floor. Now that you've mastered the 90-degree hang, let's make it a little more interesting. This is called the corn cob, where you hang at 90 and gradually shift your weight from one hand to the other. Now we're going to make it even a little harder yet. You're going to try to shift your weight from side to side and very quickly release your grip with each hand. This is just about the same as going across the monkey bars. Now you're ready. Jump on up and grab it. At first, try to put both hands on each bar. So you're just moving one bar at a time and using both hands. Now in this step, you're actually going to only touch each bar with one hand. You skip over each one. That helps you get across the obstacle a little more quickly. Now finally, you're going to use the hand over hand method, go down and learn to turn around and head back. Now that you've mastered the flat monkey bars, we're going to move on to the sloped monkey bars. These you can do again. As you see, I started out doing two hands on each rung, and then I changed to doing every other rung, which helps you go through it a little bit more quickly. You don't have to hang on it quite so long. Once you do it forward and backward, now you can practice going up sideways. Again, you can see how the elbows are at 90 degrees. You really have to watch where you're reaching with each handhold. You can see my eyes are following the next peg. Probably a good idea to make sure you've got a pad underneath you while you're doing these too. Have fun. Good luck.